Very tired?
Really? Where?
Go ahead. Come here real quick. Come here.
Alright, here you go. Some rules real quick. You gotta stay 1 per square. Don't jump anybody else's square. Make sure you don't sit down out there. You gotta stand up and jump the entire time, okay? Go all the way down this way and jump down there for me. Go and go.
Look at Mr. Bouncy Dude over there. He's getting all kinds of that lips.
Alright. Make sure you stay split out 1 per square. Don't come in the same square with them. Just stay on this way. You can go anywhere. You can go crazy. Alright?
Done, huh? A little tired? You could probably get another backflip off of that one you're doing over there. Easily.
I'm going to practice some flips on this too.